Hi, we're at the Hershey RV show, and I'm here with Scott. Scott, do you want to introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yeah, absolutely. My name's Scott Taylor. I'm the product manager for the Cougar division here at Keystone RV. So I'm excited to showcase for your viewers the brand new Cougar 260MLE, which stands for Mid Living Room Entertainment. All right, so let's get started on the exterior of this floor plan. Again, this is on our full-size Cougar fifth wheel lineup. This floor plan is unique, the 260MLE. It's very unique because it's just over 30 foot with a king bed slide. It's just not something you see very often in a fifth wheel of this size. So coming around here, you're going to have, and I'm just going to walk you around the outside real quick. Every Cougar fifth wheel is going to come with two 30-pound bottles, one on each side, just to kind of differentiate that weight a little bit. Also, our huge pass-through storage, and this is our built Cougar Tough pass-through storage with this rubber flooring. What's great about this rubber flooring, it's something you're going to see on a toy hauler, so you know it's incredibly durable as well. And not to mention the space of this pass-through storage as well. And you're going to see this from time to time going through the trailer, anything with that inverted outlet on it. That means this outlet is ready to go. This has the Solar Flex Protect on it, which is a 220-watt panel. And it's prepped, 7 outlets are prepped, and it's inverter prepped. So you add that inverter, all of a sudden, you could actually watch TV from your batteries when your solar's charging those batteries from right there. Moving along, 4-step entry, solid step entry. This is new for this year, which is the MORride safety rail system. I love this feature. Coming out here is our outside cooktop. So this was a spot in the trailer. Once you go inside, you'll see it was just kind of dead space. So well, why not throw an outdoor kitchen on it, right? So we did just that. So we've got an outdoor griddle. We've also got a nice little refrigerator here, and also notice that little inverted sticker there. So again, if you're running off a battery down the road, you could actually keep everything in this little refrigerator cold, okay? Now, we can't really get to the other side that easily, but one of the things I did want to talk about before we go inside is every full-size Cougar comes standard with auto level, and then every single Cougar comes with the Goodyear Endurance tires as well. When you get to this particular price point, you get to this size of floor plan, kind of Goodyear's what's recommended on that, okay? But that's the outside. Let's go check out this inside. Okay, now that we're on the inside, here's what's really unique about this. Again, I already told you that this floor plan came in just over 30 foot with the king bed slide. It's something you just don't see every day. What I forgot to tell you was this is probably my best kitchen setup out of any floor plan, whether it's 40 foot or 30 foot. This is huge countertop space. You've got 8 overhead cabinets, tons of storage down below. I love this feature for our 2024s. Wow. Dual trash can storage, nice little paper towel holder, right? And then you also have spot to put more paper towels in there as well. I told you before that this comes equipped with some solar on it. This is a 12-volt ceiling fan. So for those campers that are off the beaten path and maybe they just want to open up all the windows and use that ceiling fan to get some of the breeze, what an awesome feature to have. And speaking of windows, if you're coming over here by the theater seats, you've got 2 huge windows there, but you almost have to bring your camera this way and look at the other part of the floor plan, because when you sit by the theater seats or on the theater seats, you have a perfect view of your campsite from the rear and on the side as well. Now, some of the feedback that we've got, that we've received in previous videos was when the theater seats are facing the TV's up a little high. So we did something, we worked with one of our vendors, we did something to offset that. And we brought this mech in so you can drop that down too. So you can actually have better viewing for those campers that need that TV down a little lower. Now, you also have this fireplace, which is not just for the ambiance. It can be, but you can also use it to heat this trailer up if you want. But one of the things that customers may ask, or campers may ask, is, well, where's the dinette? Well, we wanted to come out with a short fifth wheel floor plan that's wide open. Maybe somebody wants a dinette, maybe they don't. But if they do, we've got just the thing for them. So this pulls out just like this, and it comes with 2 folding chairs, which are tucked away right back here. I actually don't have them opened up yet. We're going through that today and opening everything up, but the chairs actually go in there, tucked away, out of the way. And you know, for those campers that want the dinette, it's there. If they want to maybe do a puzzle play cards, or maybe even work from their trailer. Maybe they extend their camping season. That's what that's for.
Yeah, it's almost like a desk.
That's exactly right. Now, again, we were able to incorporate all of this just over 30 foot, but we even have a full depth, full size pantry and hutch coffee station as well. It's safe to say we maximized every single inch of this trailer that we could. Coming up to the bedroom, you'll notice that we have a 48 by 30 shower with a bench seat, very popular. Awesome linen closet and a vanity that just makes sense. And that medicine cabinet, if you can't tell, is recessed into the wall just to give you a little more storage space and not a head knocker. Coming to the bedroom, before you look at the bed, I do want to showcase this nice little storage area, a little hidden valuables, necklace, watches, wallets, what have you. King bed, windows on each side of the bed, which is awesome for cross ventilation. You also see the shelves up there, which is awesome for cell phones, maybe a book, water, or how about a CPAP machine? And there are outlets right behind those shelves, and by the way, those are inverter prep as well. Okay. Full wardrobe. Notice how wide open this is as well. And then you have a spot to put a stackable washer and dryer if you'd like to. So this floor plan is just dialed in for those customers that want to get out and about and want to be at a little bit shorter of a length. But we didn't leave anything off. We maximize every single inch of this floor plan. Thanks again for tuning in with us today. I hope you enjoy the brand new 260 MLE. For any more questions, come see me at the Hershey RV Show. Again, my name is Scott Taylor. I'm the product manager for the Cougar division here at Keystone RV.
Hi, Chuckles the Squirrel here. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone.